Hi guys, it's Scott here again at Let's Talk Tech. Today we have the GearGo Dash Cam. I decided on the back of the GearGo Projector review that I did that it'd be good to try some other GearGo products. So here we have their Dash Cam. Now just before I talk a little bit more about this product, I just want to give a big thanks to everybody. In a really short space of time, we've taken the channel from pretty much 0 subscribers up to more than 2,000. And yeah, just really humbled, really grateful, and appreciate your ongoing support and your ongoing kind of viewership. So yeah, thank you very much. We absolutely smashed the target of 500 subscribers. So we will be giving away the projector and perhaps 1 or 2 other surprises. So keep an eye on the channel. In the next day or so I'll be posting a very quick 2-minute video with instructions on how to enter the competition, and the draw for that competition will take place on the 30th of August. So moving back onto this dash cam, like I said, I ordered this on the back of being incredibly surprised by the quality of the GearGo Projector. I had very little expectations when I ordered that, and as I mentioned in my original review, was actually blown out the water. Considering the price point, I thought it was fantastic value for money. Now I want to give this dash cam a fair review. However, I do have 1 or 2 criticisms about this. First of all, it's a little bit ugly and a little bit clunky. I've seen smaller and more attractive dash cams than this one. For me, this could be really easily fixed just by simply making the lens a little bit smaller. For me, that lens just comes out too much and it just doesn't look right as a dash cam. Now you'll see this comes with a rear camera as well. Now I spent a while trying to install this, but unfortunately my car is just not set up for this installation. It sits above your number plate, and unfortunately I can't get to that area on my car and wire it up correctly. However, I did find the rest of the installation relatively straightforward. I do think that the software experience on this camera is poor. It's not a touchscreen, the buttons aren't fantastic, and the navigation is not great either. But once it's set up, you are good to go. It just takes you that few minutes to work your way around the menus. Now coming up is the footage I shot the first time I used the dash cam. I was actually pleasantly surprised with the quality of the camera, considering I had reservations about how the device looked and the software. I was actually really surprised by how good the quality of the video actually was. Now, what I will say about this is you will need a micro SD card. The software on this particular device is set up so it will continually record. So once your memory card is full, it will then automatically start overwriting previous videos as well. Now, I guess to summarise this for me, would I recommend it? Yes, I actually would. I think if you can get over the fact that it's not the most attractive, I think this cam is pretty good value for money. The quality of video is excellent, and although the software isn't the most user-friendly, it has some really nice features, and once you work your way around those buttons and work out what features it actually has, I think you will be pleasantly surprised by what you can get out of this dash cam. Now I'll leave you here with a little bit more footage, but in the meantime, if you could like and subscribe to the channel, that would be fantastic. If you have any comments about this video or any other video, please do leave a comment below, and I'll always do my best to reply as quickly as I can. Again, like I said at the beginning, I also just want to thank everyone again for their support. I think to get up to over 2,000 subscribers in such a short space of time is nothing short of phenomenal, and I just want to thank you all. So thanks very much, This has been Scott at Let's Talk Tech. I hope you come back.